Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a common issue that's got many Xfinity users scratching their heads: the modem blinking green and orange. This problem often signals connection issues, hardware glitches, or even a simple fix you can handle at home. Don't worry, I'm going to walk you through the steps in a clear, straightforward way. By the end of this video, you'll have your modem back up and running smoothly. Let's dive in. First off, understand what these lights mean. A blinking green light usually indicates that your modem is trying to connect to the internet, while orange might point to a problem with the signal or hardware. The good news is that most fixes are quick and don't require professional help. Step 1. Check your cables. Start by ensuring all cables are securely plugged in. Give them a gentle wiggle to make sure nothing's loose. Sometimes, a simple reconnection does the trick. Next, power cycle your modem. Unplug it from the wall, wait about 30 seconds, and plug it back in. This reboot can resolve temporary glitches. If that doesn't work, head to step 2. Restart your router if you have one separate from the modem. Unplug both devices, wait a minute, and plug them back in one at a time. This helps refresh the network connection. Now, check for any service outages. Visit the Xfinity website or app to see if there's an area-wide issue. If there is, you'll just have to wait it out, but at least you'll know it's not your fault. Moving on to step 3. If the lights persist, try a factory reset. Locate the reset button on your modem. It's usually a small hole on the back. Use a paperclip to press and hold it for about 10 seconds. Remember, this will erase your settings, so you'll need to reconfigure afterward. As a last resort, contact Xfinity support. They can run diagnostics remotely or send a technician if needed. There you have it. Simple steps to fix that annoying blinking issue. Always remember to keep your modem in a well-ventilated area to prevent overheating, and regularly update your firmware for better performance. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.